What's good, guys? Let me get out this car real quick. Whew. I don't want to show you guys all that driving just to come over here in my usual spot to record videos, you know. Hey, I gotta talk to you guys real quick. I gotta say something to y'all. It's kind of gonna be random. What I just did to my car. I just did a little change. Probably not a little change, y'all. And it's definitely not a little change because it makes a big difference, and I've noticed the change in it once I put these on the car. So without further ado, check out this. You see these headlights? I changed them. You know what kind of headlights those are? DEPOs, DEPO V2, I think, and they are by Fishcake on eBay. Now, he's known to be a really reputable seller on eBay with the best aftermarket headlights, and I'm not even joking. They really are the best aftermarket headlights. Like, they're way better than the ones that I had, those LED ones that I had in my car before, that I installed in my car. They're way better. These are way better. I'm telling you, it's not even a joke. Like, when they say he gets good reviews and he's a good eBay seller, I swear, I'm not even joking. I will link those in the description. Like, I don't even know how to. They're really good, and the fact that they're pretty much bright, just like my other ones, but they have better light output at night. And bro, I kid you not. And the fact that I put LEDs in the car, I put LED H7 bulbs in them. Let me show you real quick so you can see. They look really, really good, man. Oh my god, check this out. It's probably flickering on the camera because LEDs and cameras don't really mix well with each other. I don't know why that's the case, but they're really bright at night, man. They're so bright, and I'm just happy with the finished product. I'm happy with how it came out. And honestly, I got these headlights because I feel like these style headlights, these style halo rings, they fit the E90s way better than the ones that I had on my car. Honestly, I feel like the ones that I had on my car before, they're like more for like a F30 type of style BMW, but these right here, they're so much better and more fitted for BMW E90s. Personally, to me, like the other ones, they look good, but these right here, they're just so much better, man. Like, I can't even explain it. But I highly suggest you guys get these headlights, whoever wants to upgrade. Oh, before I forget, the first time I drove with them on at night, bro, I swear to God, you know how there's a cutoff line for headlights? Obviously, there's always a cutoff line for headlights. There's another layer on top of it. Like, it reaches like say like we're driving this way. I don't know if you guys can see it. It'll reach like up here. Like, and I didn't even adjust them anything. They just came like that. But nobody flashed me. No oncoming cars that was coming my way. They didn't flash me saying, oh, your lights are too bright. So I guess it's because they're projectors. Projectors, they generally produce light in a good pattern so it doesn't blind oncoming traffic. So I guess that's why nobody flashing. But bro, these lights are really good. Oh my god, I can't even explain. It's so good. Like, this is basically all I wanted to share with you guys. That I just upgraded my headlights. Let me flip this camera around so you guys can see. Have a closer. Oh, I'm sorry about my hand. Have a closer look. I think it's about, like, he said it was like 50 something LEDs are in the rings, but they look so good, man. And it's basically the same on the other side. I'm just showing you guys this side. It's so good, and it's halogens. These are for halogen model E90s. So I think they have the ones for HIDs and adaptive headlight E90s that have those. I think they have them. I'm not sure. You have to ask them. You have to ask Fishcake yourself to see if they do have them. But they definitely have halogen ones for the halogen model BMWs that have halogen lights. So with all that being said, this is just really what I wanted to share with you guys. Just something real quick. There's people over there as usual. That sounds like a Challenger. Sounds like a Challenger. Challengers usually sound like that. Or it could be a Charger. I don't know, but it sounds nice. But yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys was these lights. They're really good. I give them that's a train, random. I give these 10 out of 10. These headlights, probably I'll give them I'll give them a 20 out of 10, man. Like, they're so good. So yeah, I highly suggest you guys get these headlights. They're really good. You won't be disappointed, and if you do, be sure to give fish cakes a good review and a thumbs up, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and this info that I shared with you guys. I'm actually going to show this guy that he put me on these headlights. I gotta show him this video. Shout out to you, my guy. All right, guys, to the next one. I see you guys later. Give you a little shot before I end the video. Little shot to the next one. See you guys later. Peace.